Temperature continues to climb. It can also pose a dangerous threat to anyone who's exposed to it. Our KNWA's Dylan Nooner joins us live in studio now with how to stay cool in this summer heat. Dylan.
Yeah, Doug, Allie, as we enter the dog days of summer, the heat begins to be a real concern. No matter your age or your physical condition, anyone can fall victim to the high temperatures. Today I spoke with a doctor who told me how to prevent against these heat-related illnesses and how one football team is keeping their cool this summer.
Biggest concern is heat stroke, and if you're at heat stroke, it's too late. You gotta immediately take action, and that's an emergency.
According to the Arkansas Department of Health, there was around 2,000 heat-related hospital visits last year. Dr. Blake Hansen with Simplified Health says to listen to your body when battling the heat.
Painful muscle cramping, if you're getting anything like that, that's your first sign that it's time to get a break out of the heat. Make sure you get hydrated. Obviously, the progression of that is heat exhaustion, and we get concerned. There's a lot of very heavy sweating, weakness, nausea, vomiting, and then biggest concern is heat stroke.
Hansen says the key to preventing these illnesses is simple: stay hydrated.
It's going to be boring to hear it, but it's the same thing you hear all the time. Hydration before, during, and after these activities. Mostly before is going to be huge. There are cooling activities that could be done.
For some, avoiding the heat is inevitable, like the football players at Fayetteville High School. Head coach Casey Dick says the team is taking precautions during their summer workouts.
Our athletic training staff, as far as the heat, does a great job of, really properly managing our kids with cold tubs and the proper procedures and things put into place. So, and our kids understand, number one, they know they got to take care of themselves. Obviously, with this time of year, they have to play a role in their active hydration as well, in what they eat and how they take care of their body and their nutrition before they come through a workout as well. But overall, I've been really pleased with how our kids have handled it, and obviously our athletic training staff has done a great job.
Hansen says no matter what you're doing in the heat, make sure to keep your core temperature low to keep your cool this summer.
If you're starting to experience cramps, really that's going to be your first sign, and address it appropriately with hydration. Don't be afraid to take a lot of water breaks during the midst of the summer. Whether you're playing football, whether you're doing some other sport, or whether you're out working. If you're in your garden, or if you're out doing landscaping or construction or whatever the job might be.
And make sure to download the Your Weather Authority app to stay up to date on those rising temperatures coming later this week. In studio, Dylan Nooner, KNWA Northwest Arkansas News.
All right, Dylan.